Hi guys, welcome to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Grindr account from your mobile device. If you want to delete your Grindr account from your mobile device, then you can do it in no time. But there are a few things you need to know before you delete your Grindr account. So deleting your profile does not cancel your premium subscriptions. And when you decide to delete your account, all personally identifiable data will be removed from the Grindr system. So the next time you want to log into your account, you will have to create a new account. And if you still want to delete your Grindr account from your mobile device, then just watch this video till the end and follow the simple steps. First, go to your Grindr application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Now log into your Grindr account using your associated email, phone number, or Google or Facebook account. Once you have entered the login details, go and tap on login in order to log into your account. Once you have successfully logged into your account, go to the top left corner and tap onto your profile icon. From the profile, go to the bottom and choose the settings option. Here on the account section on the settings page, you can see the deactivate option. Tap on it. On the deactivate page, go to the delete account option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Now select a reason for deleting your account, and once you choose a reason, a pop-up shows up on your screen. If you want to back up your chat messages, media and tabs, go and tap on backup now. And if you don't want this app to remember your profile and all your data, then go and tap on no thanks. Now on the second pop-up, go and tap on delete in order to confirm the deletion of your account. Now if you had created an account using an email address and a password, then you will have to verify your account. Once you have entered your email address, you can go and tap onto the delete profile. So in order to confirm, go and tap on delete account. And once you tap on it, your profile information, your photos, favorites, chat history, saved photos will be permanently erased. And once you have successfully deleted a Grindr account, you will be taken back to the login page of Grindr application. So once you have deleted a profile, it cannot be recovered as it is a permanent action. And however, you can still create a new profile using the same credentials. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.